So, hello everyone, I'm Sophia and I'm back with another exciting beauty tips. And this one is all about your teeth, making your teeth look whiter. And we are actually, well, this is the first time I'm going to try this one. And I'm going to use the banana skin, the ripe banana skin. You know, ripe banana skin has a lot of different benefits. So we're going to actually use part of it, which is the inside part here, to actually use to clean our teeth to make it white. Well, I'm going to do this for a few minutes. And then gradually, when you use this thing, banana skin, you could use it more than one time in a week or so. And then gradually your teeth will become white. It won't be white at the same time, but gradually using it, it will become white. So let's try. I'm very excited about this one. Never tried this one. I've tried so many things, and that's why I'm actually start doing videos now, because I have a blog that I write on different beauty tips, and this one I'm so excited about trying this one. So yes, so this is my teeth. Somehow my teeth before it didn't look white, but now it's not really a bit white. So let's try. Let's see how this works. Uh-huh. I'm going to rinse my mouth out now. So this is a finished product. Some sort of improvement. What do you think? You think it's look whiter? So, but definitely you could use this. You could use this banana skin 2 to 3 times per week for better results. And then your teeth will gradually get whiter and stuff. So I want you to go ahead and check out my blog, which is at www.bagabeautytips.de, and I will give you all the information on how what's supposed to use for this beauty recipe. So until next time with another exciting beauty tips. Bye.